direct I/O rendering on the virtual application. So when you're running a virtual machine on the SoC, you have additional support. Also, Intel includes C-state support levels, so that are going out from C0 to C10. So there are 3 new C-state support. So this is specifically to go deep and save energy and power consumptions. So with that, you can see that our current Apollo Lake have much better instructions per clock, so better performance. We increase your portfolio on virtualization technology that include the VTX2 and VTD. Also, we have additional power savings on C0 to C10 that helps the system still awake, but on a sleeping state, deep sleep state, saving power. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, we have the integrated graphic architecture overview that covers the Gen 9 LP, as I mentioned before. So this is the architecture inside the video. So this is a very good unit that comes with 18 execution units that provide much better 3D IP support and better quality for video, better performance, and better user experience. So also on 3D API, we include DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.4, and OpenCL 2.0 full profile. This, for sure, more performance because we are using the next generation. So Gen 9 LP are the same graphics used in the Skylake. Also increase the performance with more execution units. And for the 3D API, we are following the capabilities from the industry alignment that supports the demand from our customers. Keeping on graphics and video. So Apollo Lake comes with 2 DDI interface, 1 ADP, 2 MIPS DSI. That's help to create different connectivity on display ports and support different displays. Also, we support different resolutions. So we keep support HDMI 1.4B, but also on DisplayPort, we can include the DisplayPort 1.2A with higher resolution. ADP 1.3 also with a higher resolution, and MIP DSI with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. So on video codecs, what we have here that Apollo Lake increased the capability on video decoders. So we have new encoder and decoders, the H.265 HAVC L5.1, and on the code we add the HAVC L5 L5.1 VP9. So there are much more features on Apollo Lake in comparison to the previous Atom and Celeron families. So the MIP DSI support is one of that. So the DisplayPort 1.2A resolutions that helps on better refresh rate and adaptive sync. As I mentioned, the video codec support the VP9 next gen of Open HD graphics video and 3D video resolutions, and also the codecs and decoders. Okay, on memory, what we have on memory features on Apollo Lake is that today we have the DDR3L support but also we include LPDDR4 support. And on speed, on the run speed, we increase the run speed to 2133 and 2400, and also the DRAM size support increased from maximum 8 GB to 12 GB and 16 GB. So, as I mentioned since the beginning, we included the ECC support. Also, we have the DDR3L 64-bit support and LPDDR4 32-bit support. So with different channels for DRAM, we can have better power savings, increase the speed in comparison to the previous family up to 15%, provide a very, very different memory topology flexibility, so you can configure with different size of DRAM, a dual channel ECC, on image, as I mentioned on the beginning of the presentation, we are supporting MIPI CSI. So the SoC support up to 4 sensors using a variable configuration of the 8 lines for the MIPI CSI. So here I wanted to do some comments related to the MIPI CSI implementation on the design. So if you have a customers, or if you are a customer that wanted to implement the MIPI CSI, there are some highlights that I wanted to do. That MIPI CSI is not a plug-and-play camera, so it needs to be customized. So there are common usage applications for the MIPI CSI. For example, here camera for video capture and infotainment application. So there are cameras that usually go to lower resolutions, so like a front camera or video conference camera. But we can support the 4K resolution as well. So with that, Intel have a document that assists how to and which cameras Apollo Lake family supports. So we have the IoT MIPI camera support plan that's available on a CDI or Resource and Design Center. So for you guys that are attending from this webcast today, we have this reference for the Research Design Center available. You just need to click on the links available on your dashboard, on your console. Then you can access the Research Design Center. So with that, on image, what we have today, that the number of support devices increased